Hey guys, it's Owen here, and I just wanted to show you one of the mounts you can get off of the Blizzard store. Its name is the Swift Windsteed. Harrison's here as well, but you might not be able to hear him as well because he's not that close to his mic. And our friend Fred, which we blame him for a lot. But yeah, this is quite a cool mount. I bought it when it was on offer, so yeah. But it does look pretty cool. I mean, it kind of looks like I don't know how to explain it anyway. I mean, the main part I love though is definitely the cloud underneath it. I don't know what about that. It's pretty cool. Let's just go precisely quick. No, tell me that doesn't look awesome. It does look pretty awesome. Then the spike on the front is pretty awesome. It kind of goes with it quite a bit. And then you got that kind of metal, I don't know, it's like chainmail and on the leg. That's what I call it anyway. Don't know what the hell happened there. But yeah, I hope this kind of helped your insight on the Swift Windsteed. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, see you guys.